I'm coming now. Why is everyone here? Just tell me what happened.
The HQ has been exploded by the infection. Intruders are raiding this HQ.
You mean infections and the intruders are raiding? I even saw that there are two people such as Min with 3,399 and Kukotis 1,234. The security man has been killed by the monster.
I may know. They are escaping except intruders. On 2 weeks ago, the researchers bring the icebox shape with the infected to this place. They said the infection may be non-infections and change their eyes into normal by the cold temperature.
Alphabet 10th told us to this place may have an explosion by the infection. Zero desktop drives with us to prevent exploding with a speed truck.
I'm meeting the researchers yesterday. Plus, Mahirachan told me to come with me, because of the explosion.
Will you guys rebuild this HQ? Yeah, let's rebuild.
No, resting.
We did it. You can go inside. Wait. We forgot turrets and shield generator. Anyways. When, Namcon, and Windows 710, you can go home now.